Good morning everyone, today we're looking at a brand I haven't looked at before, Tavistock Jones. I don't know a lot about this actual brand, but we're going to go look at one of their radio-controlled talking watches today. That seems to be something they're known for, so I thought, well, why not? Let's have a little look. It's a simple glossy style box with a simple lift-off lid, very, very shiny. Quite light in weight, doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. Simple sort of industrial plastic style cushion just to sit that watch on, but it's all about the watch really, isn't it, not the box. So here we go guys, this is the Tavistock Jones 39mm radio controlled talking watch. In terms of the case thickness, it looks quite a thick watch. It doesn't specify online the actual thickness of it, not the correct one anyway, but from the top all the way to the bottom, probably looking at about, I use the inch one. No, let's use centimetres, why not? Yeah, it's quite thick. About 17-18mm in thickness. Retails at just £40. Probably weighs around about 100 grams. It's not a heavy watch, but the weight of it comes from the thickness. And so the actual movement behind the watch is a radio-controlled quartz watch. It uses radio transmitters across UK, Europe and Japan to sync up to the exact time that we get on our computers and stuff like that. It uses the same sort of bandwidth, I believe. You can see there it does have a talking feature as well. So coming down to the actual dial, we've got a sort of polar white dial. It came out to me quite bright there. It's a nice finish, matte dial, easy read style with a full number system. Nice sort of dashes inside the face there. Plain mirror finish inside the actual face of the watch there. No markings inside there or anything like that. Fully luminous hands and a stainless steel bit of detailing to top it off. The actual glass going over the top of the watch is acrylic glass. With this watch you have alarm and chime function, so there's extra bits for you to do. And the point of a radio control watch is it will automatically adjust for you, so this should be the exact time. Yeah, this should be the exact time at the moment. Automatically adjusts for you, but you can adjust it if you wish. It also adjusts for summer and winter time if you need to. The actual buttons on the side here, I'm not going to push them because I don't know how to turn them off. That's going to enable the talking features. So go on, let's just press it, see what happens.
The time is 11:26 a.m. Alarm is off.
Okay, so you've got the actual talking feature for the top bit and the bottom bit, which is obviously setting the alarm. Let's come round to the actual with the casing and stuff like that. So it's plain stainless steel polished finish casing, as you can see here from the shine going on. Same theme with the actual chronograph and the crown. The actual chronograph and crown are slightly indented off each other. That's a bit of a unique touch you don't see with many watches. The crown is also quite small, same sort of size as the actual chronograph buttons. That's also something you don't often see. There's no sort of markings or engraving around the side here for edition numbers. Some watches like Tissot put the year in on the side there. So yes, you can manually adjust it if it doesn't adjust itself. I don't know, I've probably just messed up the timing of the watch now. Yeah, it doesn't like that at all. I've just changed the time and it's like, I don't like it. Let's see if that sets itself after that. So coming down to the strap, you've got 18mm leather style strap with plain line stitching all the way down the side there. It's quite a strong piece of leather, but this will loosen over time. It's got a nice effect finish on it. Nice thick strap. Come around to the back, got a sort of a beige stitching going all the way down the side here. Plenty of room for adjustment on the actual leather strap here. There's no metallic rings. Often is the case in leather straps, because then the watch stretches and fits to more suited to you. That's how I often quite like the leather strap for that reason. Looking at the back plate, you've got a nice thick back plate, probably because it's got all these sort of mechanicals inside for that movement. A lot of work's probably gone into the actual movement of this and piecing this thing down. One free roam holder, one that's fixed in place with a plain buckle, bit more of a sort of an anchor look to it really. Yeah, held in a nice strong pin. So everything seems to be all in order for this watch. So there we go guys, that is the Tavistock Jones Radio-controlled watch.